Hey, yo, what's up, dude? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be using a tool that vibrates. It is not what you think it is. It has its own different purpose. I guess it works this way. We're gonna be vibrating elements. So I prepared a set of elements like a Monster Energy drink, empty glass without Monster Energy drink, empty Monster Energy drink, some water in case you're done with Monster Energy drink, a coffee cup, Lawaza. None of these is sponsored, although I wish it was. Giorgio Armani. Metal thing that like you do pull-ups on it. One day I fell on knees from it, so I don't recommend using it. But maybe it's gonna sound good if we vibrate. So we're gonna be using this guy, and we're gonna be basically vibrating sounds and making samples. What I'm about to show you can blow your mind. So I got this thing. This is actually basically centrally, generally to relieve your muscle tension. So I exercise 6 times a week and my muscles are very tense because of that. So I'm using this tool to just turn it on. As you can see, boom, it is moving, it's vibrating, and then just do like this, hold it. It works like a massage tool. Pretty cool thing. So one day I was massaging my own business, like legs, thighs, calves, ass. And then I was like, okay, muscles get tense here also. There's a lot of tension in them and muscle soreness and stuff like that. So I just enabled this. Let me see what it do. And I was like, holy shit. It started doing some respaces. So I was like, oh my god, how about I will create some respaces. Dude, what the fuck am I looking at? You can create respaces. And I was like, what the fuck, dude? This is crazy. Normally I would be using Zoom recorder, but I don't have it currently because I landed it. So I'm gonna be using a single normal microphone, mono recording. Now I just realized the microphone will be picking up the engine sound. But anyways, let's just see. There's 3 modes. This is sick. Oh my god, this is so cool. Check this out. So this is of course vibrating on a certain frequency, and you can hear that the note of the the bass line changes, and it creates a kind of cool progression. So here's a slow one. And here's a quick one. It's like da, da. Oh my god, here's another bass line. Yeah, I just want to align that to grid. So, oh my god, this is playing on 150 BPM. Oh my god, it has such a sick groove. How about we add gate? I don't know, maybe like that. Then let's use a transient master. Or maybe without. Okay, so let's duplicate that actually. So I'm gonna take this part and then take this part, and I'm gonna combine, put this one on the left and this one on the right. That's pretty cool. So I'm wondering whether we can use an auto filter and the envelope mode. Check this out. Oh yeah! So excuse me, what's going on? There's some sick rolls in this part, so I'm gonna just resample that, find these rolls, and save them. Well, this part is great. Let's record more and then we're gonna post-process them. So, holy moly. We could just simply make a new track, put this guy into the sampler. Put some thermal on it, so it's actually beefy. We can use it as a bass in the track. What the hell? Right, we get this, and then we can put LFO tool on this before the thermal, so we could do something like that, but not the volume, but the filter cutoff. And you have a sick one shot. See how clean that is? Wow. It's from a fucking bottle. Some bottle thing. Let's go here because they're like hi-hats here. So I'm gonna put them here. So we get this, actually get rid of that, get rid of that. So we're getting this. If I stretch that, but then used beats mode, now we get this. Yeah, I'm just gonna slap thermal on it. Ooh, this is getting sweet. But it's cool. If you put it with the frequency shifter very low, you can clean that up. The can made the best sounds out of all these instruments. Yeah, this is actually really good. This sounds sick, actually. That sounds like a brrrr. So, rest of them, I'm not sure about that. Yeah, this is cool. This is cool. Bass is sick. This one we could use in a track. This one too, but it needs cleaning. These hats, yeah. So let me know in the comments, do you like to vibrate? Do you like your speakers to vibrate? Do you make your speakers vibrate? Let me know in the comments. And just have a great day. And see you in the next one. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can cite that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site over sample.us for some high quality samples, presets, and free sounds.